Okay, so here we have the cement truck. He has arrived. And now he thinks no problem to get up this hill. With ease. Gate, do you need me to open my?
Bước lại mình. Không mất quên không mà đủ liệu bên đây.
Yeah. So
Ê,
this is my yak chini. My yak.
vậy mà.
Moani pud bangti pai chini. Yeah. Pud.
Đây,
Yeah. Bangti.
đây, xây mà sámขึ้นได้สักคิว
Sam Q, my king link.
ไม่มีปัญหาอันนี้นะมาซีเรียมาใส่ตรงนี้เนาะ
Yeah.
เนาะที่เหลือนะ
Oh.
ที่เหลือมันใช้ไม่หมดใส่ตรงนี้ดีกว่านะ
Well, we will set tini and then set the footings and the beam, and then we will cement tini, and then we have the koi.
ใช่
Koi.
อันนี้อย่าเพิ่งทีกูไม่ได้
That's
อยู่
nung atid koi. Yeah? So it's King Mac. Okay, here he comes.
อันนี้อย่าทีกูนะ
Here he comes. A big wide road. And just slowly make his way up the hill. Well, I've tried to make it as easy as I can. Beautiful cement road access. Easy spot to work. It's really quite fantastic. Okay, bye for now.